Welcome to our lesson. A straight line L1 has its x-intercept and y-intercept as -6 and 4 respectively. A. Write its equation in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, and c are integers. Now, given a equation like this, so we know at x-intercept, we'll have our coordinate as -6, 0. Then at y-intercept, have our coordinate as 0, 4. So now, first of all, we get the gradient of that line. So given the 2 points, we might decide that this one to be x1, y1, then that of y-intercept to be x2, y2. So we are going to use x-intercept as x1, y1, then y-intercept as x2, y2. And we know that the gradient is given by y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So our gradient will be 4 minus 0 over 0 minus -6. So now the gradient will be 2 all over 3. 2 all over 3. Now to find the equation of L1, we choose another point xy on that line. Then we choose between this point or this point. So the point we will choose is actually x, y, and it will be x2, y2. So I've decided to use the coordinate of y-intercept. So now y minus 4 over x minus 0 equals to 2 over 3. So we cross multiply. So we'll have 3 into y minus 4 equals to 2x. So this one will be 3y minus 12 equals to 2x. So in the form ax plus by plus c, then it will be 2x minus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. So that is the equation of L1 in the form ax plus by plus c. Now for question B, another line L2 which is parallel to L1 in A above passes through 2, 3k and point -k8. Find the value of k. Now we know that our M1 is 2 over 3 and L1 is parallel to L2, meaning M1 equals to M2. So this means that M1 equals to M2, which is equals to 2 over 3. 2 over 3. So given the 2 points, we can easily find the gradient, and of course the gradient we have it, but in our 2 point we have the unknown, which is k. So we decide this one will be x2, y2, then x1, y1, or x2, y2, then x1, y1. So I'm going to use this concept. So this one will be our x2, y2, then this one is x1, y1. So we have 8 minus 3k all over -k minus 2, which is equals to 2 over 3. So when we cross multiply, we will have 3 into 8 minus 3k equals to 2 into negative k minus 2. So this one will be 24 minus 9k equals to negative 2k minus 4. So here we have already like terms, negative 9k then plus 2k equals to negative 4 minus 24. So here we have negative 7k equals to negative 28. So we divide both sides by negative 7 so that we remain with the value of k, negative 7. So negative 7 divided by negative 7, that is 1. So k equals to negative 28 divided by negative 7, that will be 4. So the value of k is 4. Value of k is 4. So to question C, find the equation of the perpendicular bisector to the line L2 in the form y equals to mx plus c. So we have the line which is a perpendicular bisector to L2. So first of all, if perhaps this is our line, L2, and this line passes through point 2, 3k, and of course we have the value of k, so this one will be 2, then 12, then this point will be negative 4, 8, negative 4, 8. So the perpendicular bisector will actually bisect line L2. So bisect line L2 at the midpoint. So now we find the midpoint first. So we know that midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 over 2, comma y1 plus y2 over 2. So here we have 2 plus negative 4 over 2, comma 12 plus 8 over 2. So the midpoint will be actually negative 1, then 10. Then for perpendicular line, we know that m1 times m2 equals to negative 1. And we know m1 from the equation of L2 is actually 2 over 3. So 2 over 3 times m2 equals to negative 1. So now we multiply both sides by the reciprocal of 2 over 3, which is 3 over 2. So 3 over 2 times 2 over 3 is 1. So m2 equals to negative 3 over 2. Negative 3 over 2. So now to find the equation of the perpendicular bisector to line L2, then we'll use the midpoint, which is negative 110, and any other point on that perpendicular bisector, which is xy. And that point xy will be x2, y2. So now y minus 10 over x minus negative 1 equals to negative 3 over 2. So this one will be y minus 10 over x plus 1 equals to negative 3 over 2. So here we have, when we cross multiply, we have 2 into y minus 10 equals to negative 3 into x plus 1 So we have 2y minus 20 equals to negative 3x minus 3. So in the form y equals to mx plus c, so 2y equals to negative 3x minus 3 plus 20. So here we have 2y equals to negative 3x plus 17. So when you divide by 2 on both sides, so 2 divided by 2 is 1, so it remains with y equals to negative 3 over 2 x plus 17 over 2. Now D, calculate the acute angle which line 1 makes with the x-axis. Now given the Cartesian coordinate plane, this x, this is the origin, have y, so you have the straight line, so this is 4 to x-intercept negative 6, and the equation of this line is 2x minus 3y plus 12 equals to 0. So this angle is theta, the angle that line makes with the x-axis. So you know that the theta equals to tan inverse of the gradient which is noted by m. So theta equals to the tan inverse of 2 over 3, and if we calculate the tan inverse of 2 over 3 will be 33.69 degrees.